How to fix slow download problem on your Chrome browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is open your browser. This is the home page. So all what you have to do is go to the top corner, click here and go down to settings, and then click here on the receipt and cleanup. Click on restore settings and click receipt, and after that click on cleanup computer and click on find, and then go to system and make sure to disable this option and this option, and after you disable, then relaunch from here, and then go to the top here and search for flags, and then search here for parallel downloading and click on here and make sure to enable it, and after that click on relaunch, and then all what you have to do, the last step is go here and go to more tools, clear browsing data, and clear all the browsing data from here. And congratulations, don't forget to like, subscribe.